The OMOLA half-impact wrench kit features a powerful motor delivering up to 700 foot-pounds of torque, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from automotive to construction. Equipped with a brushless motor, this impact wrench offers enhanced durability, reduced noise, and improved battery efficiency compared to traditional motor designs. Its high-capacity 4-ampere-hour lithium battery ensures prolonged usage time and compatibility with other Makita batteries, providing flexibility and convenience. The tool includes a reverse auto-stop mode, which automatically reduces speed and torque to prevent nuts and bolts from falling off, ensuring safety and precision. This comprehensive kit comes with a fast charger, 4 impact sockets, and a sturdy carrying case, offering excellent value and convenience for users. Designed for both home and professional use, the impact wrench is backed by a 2-year warranty, reflecting its quality and reliability for various tasks.